All right, space enthusiasts, let's blast off into the future, where luxury meets adventure, and space tourism is no longer just a dream. Just imagine private rockets soaring through the atmosphere, not just for astronauts, but for people like you and me. It's happening right now. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are in a race, making space travel more accessible than ever. They're building reusable rockets and cutting-edge spacecraft, which means costs are dropping and innovation is flying off the charts. So, what does this mean for you if you've got a taste for the extraordinary? Luxury in orbit is about to get real. Picture yourself floating inside an orbital hotel, sipping your coffee while watching Earth rotate beneath your feet. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views, sunrises and sunsets 16 times a day. We're not talking about cramped capsules. We're talking about suites with all the amenities, gourmet meals, and zero-gravity lounges where you can literally bounce off the walls. These hotels aren't just for sightseeing either. Private space stations will give you access to the coolest research facilities, exclusive spacewalks, and even a chance to train like a real astronaut. It's the ultimate VIP experience, designed for those who want more than just a vacation. They want a story no one else can tell. But for serious thrill seekers, space tourism is the next frontier. Imagine strapping in for a suborbital flight, experiencing weightlessness, or maybe even touching down on the lunar surface. The Milky Way stretched out before you, stars unfiltered by Earth's atmosphere. This is the kind of adventure that redefines what's possible. Companies are already creating immersive experiences that make the line between science fiction and reality blur. And here's what's wild. The space tourism industry is set to explode. New jobs, new industries, and an entire ecosystem of innovation are on the horizon. The market's projected to skyrocket, with millions getting their moment in zero-G by the end of the century. Every ticket booked pushes us further, inspiring new technologies and bolder missions into the unknown. But as we reach for the stars, we've got to think about the bigger picture. What's the environmental cost? Rockets leave a footprint, so sustainable practices and responsible management are key. And then there's the question of who gets to go. If space is for everyone, we need to keep pushing for accessibility and fairness. International rules and guidelines will be essential to keep space safe and sustainable for generations to come. The bottom line? The future of space tourism is dazzling, daring, and closer than you think. So buckle up, because the adventure of a lifetime is on the horizon and the universe is waiting.